And hello guys! So welcome to our YouTube channel, Chloe Manales, like that. Okay, so today we are in my house. I mean my mother and father's house, like that. So today I'm gonna show you something how to cook like that.
What?
So I gotta tell you my recipes like that. So this is a gulay. It has many vitamins. It can make you beautiful. It can make your skin beautiful. And this is an egg. This has a vitamin A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Wow.
And look, I cracked one of it. And we were gonna cook a sabaw like that. A sabaw.
Wow.
By cracking an egg and hugas-hugasing a kalaha. I mean caldero, like that. Guys, look at me how I padpad a kalamungay. Like and this is how I padpad it. And do you know guys, this has many vitamins. Malunggay is green leafy like that. It's syrup, but sometimes I don't like to eat it like that. Char! And I eat it sometimes, but sometimes only because I don't. Okay. I'm gonna tell you the truth. And it's like this. Kalamunggay has vitamins. So you guys need to eat a kalamunggay like that. It's very delicious. It's very masustansya.
Wow.
Muscles. It's very masustansya. But don't apil-apil to luto-luto this tree. Like that, a tree. And let's move on guys. This is a lugbati like that. I'm sorry, I'm loading. Because no Wi-Fi, no internet. And guys, what is the English of lubati? And put it on the comment section below, like that. It has many vitamins. It can make you beautiful. I try it. It's so delicious. So guys, try it. Try lugbati now. Try it now. It's like this. You just make this like a sabaw. You just sigop the sabaw of it and relaxing. You're gonna feel perfect today if you eat sabaw. But you know guys, I'm needing to reach faster because the time is 9. Tomorrow is my school. 7:15 a.m. to 3:15 p.m. So that's my school time, right? 8 hours because 1 hour is our noon break, like that. And today guys, we're moved on to egg. Egg is from chicken. Chicken is from egg. Egg is from chicken. And like I didn't know that. Diba? And look at the egg. It's clear white. It seems so cute. It's so small. And that's all for the video today, guys. I'm just gonna cook it. I'm just gonna cook this, guys. Lugbati. I'm gonna make this a sabaw, like. And bye bye, guys. That's all for the video for today's vlog. Bye bye.